How to mute someone's status on WhatsApp. So first of all, launch WhatsApp application on your mobile devices. Now once you come here, go to the category of updates at the bottom. Now, if you see someone's status you wish to hide, long press on it. Now over here you can see the option of hide. This is due to WhatsApp's new update. If you have WhatsApp's previous version, you would see the option of mute. So the step is same. Now, if you select on this option of hide on this pop-up, you will successfully be able to hide that specific person's status, which is muting that specific person's status on WhatsApp. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.